Hey, hi guys, welcome to Tech Alive. I Aniket here. Today I will try to cover the mkdir and rmdir command in Unix and Linux. So let's start with the mkdir command. So mkdir command is used to create the new directories in the Linux and Unix file system. So we can create a new directories with the mkdir command. So there are few options such as -p, -m, -v. That from that we can use the different task for the mkdir command. So we'll cover in practical sessions, and today I also try to cover the rmdir command. So it is used for removing the empty directories from the Linux and Unix file system. Here also having some options that will help to remove the directories. So let's move to the practical sessions. Terminal. So let's check with the first mkdir version. For that we have to write the mkdir - version. So the version is 8.22, okay, and written by the David Mackenzie. So let's create a new directory with the mkdir. Okay, so first I will show you the directories present in my current directory. So so first I will create a directory that is test. Okay, so test directory is created. I want to create a multiple directories, that is mkdir demo1, demo2 kind of. So here demo1, demo2 created. So now I want to create 5 directories with a single command. So for that we can use mkdir, can use folder, one to 5, get the range, -lrt. So here the 5 folders created. Okay, so this is the relative path. Relative path means like you can create a directory from where your present working directory is there. So let's create with the absolute path. So let's start. First I need to clear it. Okay, so absolute path mkdir, then home/tech-alive, then I'll create a study folder. Okay, so this is the absolute path. You can use the tab to autocomplete the directory name. So home tech-alive studies. So ls-lrt. So now studies for study directory is present. So this is the absolute how to create this is the absolute path. Now move to the I want to create a parent directory and a subdirectory with single command. So for that we can use -p option. For that we'll do mkdir -p then studies slash subjects slash languages. So here you can see the studies directory is created. So we'll do cd studies, okay, then ls-lrt, then subject cd subject, then ls-lrt, and here languages is also created. So you can create a multiple parent directories and subdirectories with this one, cd languages. So there is nothing in languages, so it's empty directories. So let's move back. So here I'm at home. Now I want to create a directories and give the permissions for that directory at the same time. So for that we use -m command for that. So we can mkdir -m, then 777 is the numeric notation for the permissions. Then I will write a directory name books, okay. So here ls-lrt, so here books created with the 777 permission, okay. So now I want to create directories with the symbolic notation. So for that I'll do mkdir, then -m, then a equal to rwx, and I'll write books1, okay. So here this directory is created. So here books1 is also created, okay. So you can create with the both symbolic and numeric notation. And now I want to see, like I want to use the verbose mode to check whether what exactly happened with while creating the directories. For that we use -v command, -v option. For that mkdir, let's create multiple directories, -v, then I'll create animals in that, lion, then tiger, okay. So here create enter. So here it will show the mkdir directory created, that is animals in then mkdir directory created for the animals and lion, then animal, lion, tiger. So here you can check cd animals, then ls-lrt, here you can see the lion, and here you can see the tiger. Let's move back. So here I want to create a directory structure, like for example in projects there is languages, that is Java, C++, or it is kind of example. So for that we have to do with this is the one trick, mkdir here, then hyphen t, then I will create a projects, then I need to create the two directories, that is a language and let's write subject. Okay, in languages I want two directories, that is Java and Python. In subjects I want maths and science, science. Okay, so here it will create the project directory inside that language and subject. In language Java, Python, in subjects math, science. So let's press enter. Now check it, ls-lrt, projects created. We can see the recursive for projects. I'll clear it. Then ls-r projects. So here all this file structure created, that is a language, subjects. In projects there is a language, there is a Java, Python. Java is empty directory, Python is empty directory, then math, science. So you can achieve this by the above command. So now let's move to the rmdir. So for that let's clear all these things and then okay, so basically rmdir is used for the removing the empty directories. So let's remove the empty directory first. That is the test, rmdir test, enter, ls-lrt. So now test is no more with my files. Okay, now I want to delete multiple files, that is I want to delete the files I want to delete the directories, that is a demo, all the files, all the directories. First I will list it, that is the demo 1 and demo 2. I want to delete both the directories. So for that rmdir, then demo star. Okay, so demo files for demo directories was deleted. Okay, clear. Then let's check. So now I want to delete only these three directories, that is folder 1 to 3. I don't want to touch for the 4 and 5. So for that we can use rmdir folder, then curly braces 1 to 3. Now check it. So here all the three directories deleted, 1 2 3, only 4 and 5 present. Then let's delete the study directory with the absolute path. So for that let's clear this. Then for that rmdir/home/techliv, then study Okay, so enter. Now let's check study. So study is no more with us. Okay, now I want to delete the file with the recursively. For example, we'll delete the empty files with the parent file as well. So we have the animal. For that, let's first check. So we have lion and tiger in that. So let's delete all the data structure, all the file structure. That for that, rmdir -p we used for the recursive deleting. That is the animal slash lion slash tiger. Okay, enter. So here we deleted whole animal. No animal is no more with our file system. Okay, then let's check the hello world directory. So there is nothing. I will create one file, touch file as a finality. Now there is one file present in the hello world, and I want to silently delete the if the file is present, then delete it. If not present, then don't give the error message. For that, we have the option, that is the ignore fail on empty directories, non-empty directories. Okay, so ls-lrt cd dash dash. First I will try to clear this ls-lrt. So I will try to delete the hello world and folder 4. Okay, so rmdir -ignore fail on non-empty then this is the option. Then I will give you the two, that is two directories, that is hello world and folder 4. Okay, so let's check if we get the error message or anything. So we didn't get any error message. Let's check ls-lrt. So folder 4 is deleted, but hello world is not deleted, and it also not showing. It's also not showing any error. Okay, so this is the way you can achieve the rmdir command. Let's check with one more, that is, so let's clear this. So ls-r projects. So here I want to delete whole projects with the one command. So for that, rmdir. Okay, then projects, we'll use -v over here, so we can get projects. Then I want to delete languages. Language, then comma subject. In language I have two directories, that is java comma python In subjects I have two directories. That is maths, comma science. Okay, closing this one. So projects contain two directories, that is language and subject, and in language there is two directories, that is a Java, Python, and subjects having two directories, that is maths, science. Let's check it out what will happen. So here it's showing that removing directory projects language Java, okay, then project language Python cannot then maths, science. Okay, let's check. So projects is here only. Let's check what is in the projects. Okay, clear similarity cd projects. So there is nothing in the projects. Okay, so you can achieve this by the above command, that is this one. So let's do one trick. We'll create it again. One sec, let's clear this rmdir projects as well. Oh, I was already in the project. rmdir projects. Okay, directory non-empty. So let's cd project. Okay, there is a subject, language, both. Okay, go back, Control C. Let's have penalty. So for that we can use -p. Okay, let's enter. So already there is no such file like Java, Python, science and maths. So let's check it out. This penalty. So there is no line, and Java, Python, there is nothing. So you can delete the directories with this command as well, multiple directories. So that's it for today. So let's check another command such as copy, move, then rm command in next sessions. Please do like, subscribe and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for this session. Thank you.